Let me put you on something simple, powerful, and ancient. This is Bragg's, right? Organic apple cider vinegar, raw, unfiltered, with the mother. The mother, the mother, I like that. What does that mean? Now, what does that mean? Well, and why did I put this in my pot? I started cooking some beef broth. You know, this isn't the regular clear vinegar. This cloudy stuff at the bottom. That's called a mother. It's a living culture of bacteria, beneficial bacteria, enzymes, and acetic acid. We're talking raw fermented apple cider that hasn't been pasteurized, and it still holds on to that, to its healing properties. It's like kombucha. Heard of kombucha? This is kombucha's older, stronger, and wiser cousin. Let me give you 3 key benefits for men working on their prostate health, like you and I are doing. It's great for extracting minerals for broths. Like when you're making a bone broth, I'm making a bone broth. Like I got some beef feet. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy. But you add a couple tablespoons of vinegar to start the process. Why? Well, because the acidity from the vinegar pulls out the calcium. It pulls the magnesium. It pulls collagen. I'm trying to tighten up my neck. Pulls collagen and pulls other trace minerals from the bones into your broth. So that's joint support, gut healing, gut support, prostate protection in every cup of bone broth. Number 2, it's a natural blood sugar glucose control. One of the most overlooked effects. Apple cider vinegar can help blunt blood sugar spikes when taken before a heavy carb meal. So before that pizza, take a couple teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, right? And that's huge for men who are managing weight, insulin resistance, metabolic inflammation, all which link to prostate enlargement, right? And number 3, it's an anti-inflammatory by itself, right? It's an anti-inflammatory. It helps you with your hormone support. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate digestion, support your liver, promote a healthier testosterone to estrogen ratio by aiding in detoxification and cleansing of unnecessary estrogen. Remember, an inflamed gut leads to an inflamed prostate. It's all connected. We talk about that. So this will help you to reduce inflammation in the body. So you can get it in a bone broth, like what I'm doing. You can add 2 teaspoons to your bone broth, your beef chunks, beef feet, whatever, before you heat it up, so that the acid can draw from the beef, and then just cook it, slow simmer for like 12 hours. The minerals will come out of the beef feet into your broth because the vinegar drew it out. And then you have number 2. You can do a pre-meal tonic. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water with a splash of lemon juice, pinch of sea salt, and drink that 15 minutes before lunch or before dinner, and that will support digestion. It will lower your blood glucose. It will reduce bloating. Be careful, apple cider vinegar is a little strong. This stuff is pretty strong, so don't just take shots of it straight. This is acidic. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic. Protect your teeth, enamel, protect your stomach lining. Always dilute warm spring water. You can drink it, if you're gonna drink it with some water, use a straw. And this little bottle right here, it's not hype. This is medicine right here. I mean, use it wisely. Whether you put it in a broth, take it like that, or you take in some water before meals, it becomes part of a healing protocol that helps keep your prostate cool, your blood sugar stable, your inflammation low, and your vitality strong. All right? Tag a brother who needs to hear this, and let's get healthy.